Hello brothers, welcome back to the YouTube channel of N.T.K Tool. Today, I will guide you on how to bulk download videos from YouTube using my viral software. You can scan, download, and edit millions of YouTube videos to re-upload for channel building or affiliate marketing. To bulk download videos from YouTube, open the viral software. This is the interface of the viral software. This software can automatically scan, download, and edit millions of videos across platforms like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and IN. To scan and download videos, click on the See and Download Video section. Select YouTube as the platform to scan. You can scan videos by keyword or by YouTube channel. First, to scan by keyword, type the video keyword you want to scan into this section. Then select the number of videos you want to scan. Select one email account to perform the scan. And finally, just click the Start button. The software will automatically scan 100 YouTube videos based on the keyword cooking that I entered. Very quickly, it has scanned 100 videos for me based on the keyword. It will display all the information of the scanned videos, such as the video link, title, duration, and the uploader's account. In addition to scanning by keyword, you can also scan by YouTube channel. You can copy the link of any YouTube channel and paste it here. The software will also scan and extract all the videos from that channel. If you want to scan YouTube Shorts videos, just copy the channel link and the software will automatically scan them for you. Very simple and automatic, right? To download all these videos to your computer, simply export them to a text file. Then go to the Download Video section. In the Choose Video Link section, click on the text file you just exported. Then, select the videos you want to download. Select the folder where you want to save the videos and click the Start button. The software will automatically download those videos to the folder you selected. You can go to the saved folder to check. And you can batch edit those videos in the Edit Video section, with hundreds of effects available for you to use. If you want to learn more about the software or see a feature demo, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next ones.